Hi everyone, and welcome back to Decor. I'm Luna, and I'm so excited to have you here today. As we step into the season of change, we'll be transforming our homes from winter coziness to springtime freshness with easy upcycling projects. You'll learn how to reuse, repurpose, and refresh your decor to create a warm and inviting space that's ready to bloom. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments your favorite seasonal decor ideas. Your support helps our channel grow, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let's get started. Upcycling is not only budget-friendly, but also a sustainable way to decorate your home. By repurposing items you already have, you can create unique pieces that reflect your personality while reducing waste. It's a win-win. Plus, upcycling makes it easier to transition between seasons. Instead of storing bulky winter decor, transform it into something lighter and brighter for spring. With just a few tweaks, you can bring the outdoors in and embrace the fresh vibes of the season. Let's start with something simple, your throw pillows. Winter pillows with cozy, dark colors or heavy fabrics can be easily transformed by swapping out covers or adding embellishments. Try light fabrics like cotton or linen in soft pastels or floral prints for a spring-ready look. If you're up for a little DIY, consider sewing or painting on plain covers. Add some embroidery, stencils, or fabric paint to personalize your designs. You'll give your living room a fresh new feel in no time. Mason jars are versatile decor staples that can be adapted for any season. In winter, they might hold pine cones or fairy lights. But for spring, try filling them with fresh flowers or creating colorful candle holders with paint. For a charming farmhouse touch, wrap your jars with twine, lace, or burlap, then place them on shelves, tables, or windowsills. These easy updates make a big impact and bring a burst of spring into your home. Don't toss those half-burned winter candles. Melt them down and pour the wax into fresh containers like teacups or small glass jars. Use spring-inspired scents like lavender, citrus, or fresh herbs for a seasonal upgrade. Decorate the containers with ribbons, dried flowers, or even pressed leaves for a beautiful, one-of-a-kind piece. They'll look stunning on a coffee table or as part of a spring centerpiece. Spring is all about greenery and growth, so why not create upcycled planters? Repurpose tin cans, wooden boxes, or even old kitchen bowls as plant pots. A coat of pastel paint or a fun pattern can make these everyday items pop. Add small indoor plants, herbs, or succulents to bring life into your home. These planters are perfect for a windowsill or a sunny corner, creating a fresh and lively spring atmosphere. Preserve the magic of winter by framing some of your favorite photos from the season. Use rustic wooden frames and add spring embellishments like faux flowers or leaves to transition them into spring decor. These frames will add a personal touch to your space, blending memories of the past season with the hopeful energy of spring. It's a wonderful way to keep your home cozy yet refreshed. If you have a winter wreath that's past its prime, don't throw it away. Revamp it. Remove the winter elements like pine cones or holly and replace them with faux flowers, greenery, or pastel-colored ribbons. Hang your updated wreath on your front door, above a mantel, or even as wall art. It's an easy and inviting way to transition your decor for the new season. Winter scarves can be upcycled into a variety of home decor items. Sew them into pillow covers, table runners, or even fabric baskets. Their cozy texture adds warmth while the fresh colors or patterns say spring. This is a great way to reuse scarves that you don't wear anymore but still love. Plus, these projects are fun and easy, even for beginner crafters. Swap out heavy winter lampshades for lighter ones, or consider dyeing your own. Use sheer fabrics, paper, or lace to create shades that diffuse light beautifully and brighten up your space. String lights are another great option. Drape them along shelves or in glass jars for a whimsical, springtime glow that feels cozy yet fresh. If you have a mantel, use it as a focal point to showcase your seasonal decor. Start with a base of greenery, then add upcycled items like painted mason jars, revamped candles, or framed spring quotes. Layer different heights and textures to create depth and interest. This is your chance to really let your creativity shine and set the tone for the rest of your home. Turn your dining table into a spring oasis by upcycling items like fabric scraps into napkins or placemats. Decorate old glassware with etching or paint for unique drinkware that's perfect for spring gatherings. Add a centerpiece made of fresh flowers, painted jars, or small upcycled planters. These little touches will make every meal feel like a celebration of the season. Thank you so much for joining me on this creative journey from winter to spring. I hope you found plenty of inspiration to upcycle your decor and refresh your home with ease. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Decor for more seasonal home decor ideas. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, happy decorating!